Alright guys, my custom system is almost ready now. What I wanted after that was a good pair of mouse and keyboard, and I have ordered this Pebble 2 combo from Logitech and costed me about 4000 Indian rupees. Why I ordered this? Because it fulfills my requirement. Firstly, Logitech is just best when it comes to mouse and keyboard, and secondly, it fulfills my requirement. I wanted a small keyboard. It's a Pebble keyboard where it also has a Bluetooth connectivity with 3 switches. Like I can switch between 3 tabs, 3 systems in fact. That just fulfills my requirement because I work on multiple screens at a time and I can switch between them quite easily and efficiently. So yeah, let's just unpack it and see how it looks. There you go. Small keyboard, looks very classy and handy. And a mouse. See, this is how it looks. It's a flat mouse. I'm happy with what I've got. See you in the next video. Cheers.